Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best drone under 500 grams. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, for DRC. Model number, F11. GPS positioning mode provides a more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, a PK system to take pictures or video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image, 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance up to 2000 meters, follow me. The drone will fix the controlling cell phone and follow the operator whichever direction he moves. Surround action will enable the aircraft flying in a circle, providing cooler shooting perspective. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen. The copter has the give path with 7.4 volt 2500 mAh battery, the fly time up to 25 minutes. Number 4. Brand name, LSRC. Model number, S7S. This LSRC S7S RC drone is a portable and foldable quadcopter featuring multiple attractive functions such as track flight, 3D flip, gesture photo or video, 4K camera with excellent color solutions. The GPS RC drone offers lots of intelligent flight modes, besides common functions, GPS return home, GPS positioning, waypoint flight, point of interest, follow me are available. 3-axis stabilized gimbal allows you to shoot more stable and a clearer image. Professional aerial imaging benefits from longer flight time. The drone has a maximum flight time of 25 minutes, allowing more time in the air to capture the perfect shot. Number 3. Brand name, BV. Model number, S27. Intelligent altitude hold function can accurately lock the flight altitude, keep the drone hovering stably and effectively prevent the aerial camera from shaking. When the drone is about to hit an obstacle, the drone will automatically avoid the obstacle to prevent damage to the collision. The 4-rotor fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, which is light and durable. There is no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. The altitude hold mode function can provide stable flight. 1 key to take off, 1 key to land, up and down, forward and backward, fly left and right. 360-degree roll, easy to find the way home. 12 to 15 minutes of battery life, giving you plenty of time to create beautiful photos and videos. Number 2. Brand name, OIK. Model number, K911 Max. The obstacle avoidance device detects whether there are obstacles ahead through the 120 degrees fan-shaped scanning in front of the laser, and the remote control will sound an alarm if the obstacle is detected within 20 meters, and the drone cannot move forward. This drone's with 8K camera equipped with stable EIS camera which reduces blurring, provides better image stability. The 8K HD camera capture amazing pictures and videos which makes you enjoy any views from the lens. This drone is also equipped with a 50x zoom, so you can bring faraway objects closer. With a 120-degree field of view and an adjustable vertical angle of 90 degrees, you can get the best view for your aerial shots. GPS positioning and auto-return function prevent your 8K drone lose in any situation, automatically fly back even fly out of control, lost signal and low battery. With 1 key auto takeoff and 1 key auto land button, this drone's for adult safe K professional can be easily operated to start and stop. And combined with the considerate icons on the app, this camera drone becomes more simple to access even for drone beginners with GPS follow me, point of interest, tap fly etc. The drones with camera for adults 8K can resist 7 level provide you a stable and powerful fly experience. 3 battery set can provide about 80 minutes fly time in total. The K911 Max claims a range of up to 1200 meters and a video transmission distance of up to 600 meters. The aircraft is made with ABS plastic material, so it can last a long time with good care. Just fly it in an obstacle-free space so that it does not crash into trees and buildings. This is foldable aircraft with a folding size of 6.1 into 3.5 into 3.2 inches. When unfolded, the size increases to 12.6 into 12.6 into 3.2 inches. The propeller arms fold onto the body and the blades also fold nicely so you do not have to unscrew anything. The takeoff weight of the aircraft is 225 grams. You will not need to register it with the FAA. It also comes with 1503 brushless motors for longer and more powerful flights. The K911 Max is equipped with 2 cameras to give you a wider first-person view when you are flying it. This drone is available in a dark gray color. It also comes with its storage bag and charging cables for the battery. Number 1. Brand name, Sherry Fun Bay. Model number, RG106. GPS returns to the takeoff point with 1 button, returns to home with low power, and returns without signal. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, open the app follow function, and the aircraft will move with the mobile phone 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make photo gestures facing the camera. Multi-point flight planning for the route. The aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route, and the player will focus on shooting. Fixed point surround. Find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. MV function, filters, video effects, adding background music, picture video sharing. Folding and portable appearance, time is recorded in one hand. A number of hardcore technology blessings, excellent flight stabilization system, with TA, you have one hand in everything you shoot. The body is comparable to the palm of your hand, so you can take it anywhere. When you encounter something fun, you can carry it quickly and easily. The flight system has more advanced hardware, brings new possibilities for our aerial entertainment, set high-definition shooting and stronger flight performance. Automatically record the starting point position before takeoff when you need to return home automatically. You can automatically return to home via the remote control. 8K pixels means that the details you see are 1080 pixels. HD video 6 times, can present better highlight and shadow details. Regardless of light and dark, the distance, movement, and every beautiful moment are presented with high quality. Equipped with a brushless motor with a smaller size and better performance, high burst strong power, high speed power output of 3200 RPM, wind resistance. The index is as high as level 7 and the flight is more comfortable and stable. During the flight, aim at the drone camera and pose accordingly. You can automatically take photos or videos with the gesture of. More stable and safe dual flight positioning system, both indoor and outdoor. Automatically maintain height and hover smoothly, even with zero foundation anyone can fly. Lightweight body, strong battery life. A battery can bring 28 points the fly time of the clock, which is longer than most of the same type consumer-grade drone products. Flying is more comfortable and shooting is more calm. The remote control adopts USB direct charging design, no safe battery, adapt to multiple devices. Flying around so fun and interesting, set your favorite target as a hot spot, self-centered ring fly around and take a blockbuster. Waypoint flight intelligent experience, draw the fly you want on the map line waypoint, immediately click on the drone flight at waypoints.